Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at coordinate planes. Our objective is you will be able to define a coordinate plane and you'll be able to locate both positive and negative numbers and put them on the coordinate plane. So let's get started. A coordinate plane is made up of two number lines. So we have a number line here, starting at 0 and going over this way. And if you notice, when it goes to the left, it's 0 and then it goes into negative numbers. And then we also have a number line going up and down. Above the line are positive numbers and below the line are negative numbers. There are two axes. There's the x-axis, which goes across, and there's the y-axis that goes up and down. And I'll show you a picture of what that looks like. So x and y goes up and down, or vertical. We can find any point on a coordinate plane and we use ordered pairs, or they're also called coordinates. So what you do when you get a coordinate pair or coordinates, you find the x one first and then the y one. So if I said find the coordinate pair 1, 3, you would move over 1 on the x axis, and then you would go 1, 2, 3, and that's where you would put your dot. That would be the coordinate pair. If I said 3, -3, I would start at the x-axis and I would go over 1, 2, 3, and I said -3, so I would go down 1, 2, 3, and it would be right here. I'll give you one more. If I said, let's see, -6, -3, I would start here and I would go over to -6, and if it's -3, I'm going down to -3. Pretty easy, especially once you get a little practice. Also, what you need to know about a coordinate plane, it's divided into 4 quadrants. We have quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for all practical purposes in 5th grade, you'll just have to find the coordinate points, or the coordinate points. I'm not sure if that's what I said, but coordinate points, or plot them. So you're just going to go, like if it was 1, -2, you're just going to put it in here. And they might say which quadrant is it in, and they would probably have it labeled for all practical purposes. Now, I want you to look at these coordinate points, and you're going to start and you're going to go here, and then you're going to go here, 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 and continue on, and then go up here, and it's going to make a shape. So once again, you're going to have a coordinate plane. You're going to draw one, and you can reference back to this one, and you're going to have to go to 10, and you can just draw it with a ruler, but try to do as neat of a job as possible. And then you're going to plot these points and connect them as you're going on. So let's look ahead a little bit. So the first one is 7, -1. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to 7, because this is 6 and this is 8, so this is 7, and -1 would be right here. So I'm going to take my drawing utensil, say 7, -1, and I'm going to put it right here. Now you're, like I said, going to have a piece of paper that you're going to do it on, but I'm just going to get you started. The next one is 7, -10. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to go to 7, -10. So here's 7, and I'm going to go all the way down to -10. And then I'm going to draw a line. Woo! Okay, and you probably will want to use a straight edge, not just do it like I did. And then you're going to continue on. So we've done this one, and we've done this one, and you'll continue going on. And you'll do that, and hopefully it will make some kind of picture that you recognize. I just have another little grid that you can do, and the next thing I want you to do, so this is kind of a little lengthy assignment, is you're going to make up a coordinate grid like this on your paper, and you are going to do a mystery picture. And you're going to write down the coordinate numbers, and then tomorrow when you get back, we're going to share some as a class mystery pictures. So you'll have the coordinate numbers written down, and you'll tell us the different coordinate pairs. We'll plot the pairs, and then at the end we'll try to guess what picture you came up with, or what we came up with, and hopefully they'll match. So this will be really good practice and fun. And the last thing, do you have any questions? If so, jot them down and we will talk about them tomorrow. That's it for now. Have a good night. Bye.